Check out this view. Does not get much better than that, guys. So I tried recording this video on my laptop, but Wi-Fi for some reason isn't working. So I'm gonna be doing this vlog style video, but in today's video, we're gonna be doing an update on the trading bot, okay? So take a look at Blowfin here. You can see that we are currently number 3 on the leaderboard, top ROI in the past 30 days. And if you look at the P&Ls from the other traders, 188%, yeah, but their P&L is only $200, right? Again, number 1, 400%, P&L is $500, right? So the asset under management is only $15,000. So, these aren't consistently predictable trading strategies that they're trading. However, ours is. You can see the P&L is over $8,000 in the past 30 days, up over 100%. And if I go to the chart here, you guys are going to be able to see it a little bit better as well. Again, this is our partner, AlgoVision. You can see we have, $66,000 asset under management. Obviously, we have that 10% profit share, 75 users. And if we go down, this has been our performance since we've started in late December. Now, keep in mind, your results are not going to be the same as ours because, again, there are fees, which actually this takes into account the VIP 1 fees, which all of you guys should have if you signed up with our link. But it doesn't take account for the 10% profit share. So anytime you guys have a winning trade, we take 10%, or not me, but AlgoVision goes back to the team because they've created it, which makes sense. So instead of seeing 100% gains, right, if you had started with us since the end of December when we launched, you'd probably see around 70%, right, realistically. But here's the graph. We're kind of consolidating. We saw, pretty good gains right off the bat, up 50. And then we're in drawdown, minus 10%. So what happened was, and this is why you guys need to have a trading system and stick to the trading system, is we launched this to the public during the Pico top in I think January or February. So when we were already up 50% from launching, that is when most of you guys got in. We had over $100,000 asset under management. And then we saw a 50% retrace during February. Some terrible market condition. Actually the worst month ever that we've back tested happened the month that we launched, just happened to. So a lot of you guys I know left the copy trade. You guys stopped using the bot at the bottom. And now some of you guys want to rejoin after we're already up over 100% on the month. So it's very important when you're trading, especially with an automated system, you need to give the system time to work its magic. Everything's already back tested. We have all the statistics. You can't check it every single week. Check it once every 2-3 months. Once a quarter should be fine. And then, if you're not happy after, 3-4 months and you're not seeing results, then you can say, okay, I don't want to do this. Okay, this doesn't make sense for me. Doesn't make sense for the risk that I want to take. Maybe I just want to trade manually. But you guys cannot keep looking at the bot every single week, getting scared and taking your money out over a little bit of drawdown. Because it doesn't matter what trading system you have, you can find me the best back-tested trading strategy out there, and there's still going to be drawdown. That's just the nature of the game. So if you guys can't stomach the drawdown, then trading as a whole probably isn't for you, because there's going to be times that you're going to lose. And you can do everything right, and you can still lose. Welcome to fucking trading. But yeah, just want to go over a quick update on the trading bot. Again, this is 100% free. If you guys want access to this bot, I'll leave a link in the description below. Again, our business model is we run off 2 things. Okay, we run off the affiliate, so we make you guys sign up to our VIP 1 affiliate. Now, not only is that so we can make a little bit of money off this, it's also so you guys have the lowest fees, so you guys actually make more money. So it's more for you guys than it is for us. Our incentive is a 10% profit share, and I don't take anything from that. That goes back to the AlgoVision team. And that's only on trades that you win. So if you lose a trade, obviously you don't have to pay anything. But if you win a trade, you give 10% of those profits back to the team. But yeah, this is our ROI since we started. I'll go over the past, we'll go to the past month here. Okay, really good month. You can see here, up around 30%, back down. Again, you can see there's drawdown here, right? We're up 35%, and then we were only up 10%. So during this period, if you would have joined here, you would be in 25% drawdown. Keep that in mind. Okay, and then we saw those 2 back-to-back days with 50R, massive risk reward long positions, and now we're sitting, 105% ROI on the month, peaked at around 120%. That's what we do. So what am I expecting over the next few months to year with the bot? Honestly, I'm expecting around 200% per year. Our back test shows a lot more than that. Okay, our back test shows around 300, 400, 500% per year over year, with our current risk. I'm not expecting that personally. I'm expecting around 200% per year. So let's say you have $10,000 you want to put into the bot. I would be expecting anywhere from $15,000 to $20,000 profit before the 10% profit share. So maybe, 150%. So let's say you put in 10K, you can kind of realistically expect to make 15 to 20K in profit by the end of that year. Again, I don't know. This is our first year of live testing. Keep in mind, all this is live testing. This isn't just back test data. Like we're testing this on a live account, not a demo account. So I can't give you, the exact numbers I would expect, but we're sitting here 4 months into the year. So 1/3 done, and we're up 120%. So if we were to continue to do that, it'd be like what, 360%, something like that. So again, it kind of goes into line with that 150 to 200% after the profit share and after the fees. So again, I'll leave a link down in the description below. If you guys want to join the bot, you can. I would never recommend for you guys to put more than you're willing to lose in any automated system. Like me personally, I don't have that much money in this. I have a few $1,000s in it. I am not comfortable putting tens of thousands of dollars, and I would never recommend it to you guys, into an automated system. Maybe after a year of live data, and I'm really confident with it, and I can say, for sure that this is going to be a replicable system for the long term, then maybe I can start to think about putting 10, 20K in. But until I see those year-long live results, I'm not going to put more than a few $1,000s in. I wouldn't expect you guys to either. So obviously it depends on your portfolio size. A good rule of thumb I say is like 5 to 10% of your portfolio you can put into automated trading. So maybe you have a 6-figure portfolio and you want to put $5,000 to $10,000 in. But if you guys are trading with like $5,000, don't put more than honestly 300 to 400 in the bot. Okay, I would never recommend more than that. But that's going to be it for this video. Make sure to leave a like if you guys enjoyed. Let me know if you guys want to see more vlog content. I am doing a vlog here with the boy Caesar. Say what's good, boy.
Yo, what's up?
Yo, you guys know Caesar inside the Discord. We're here for the token event, Token 2049 here in Dubai. Pretty sick. You guys are going to see the vlog. It's gonna be a long one. Got a lot of footage, but yeah, the view is pretty insane. The only downside is that for some reason I can't connect to the goddamn Wi-Fi on that computer because that computer is fucked up for some reason. But that's why I got 2. I gotta get 2 of everything, guys. Multiple watches, multiple laptops, multiple trading accounts, multiple women. That's how we do it. So yeah, I gotta let you guys go. Subscribe to the channel for more trading content. See you guys next video.